2 days in Paro, yet a part of us wanted to stay for a few more. But as travelers, we must move on to the next town.
तो बस अभी पहुंचे हैं अपना परमिट एक्सटेंड कराने। बाइक का भी थोड़ा बहुत पूछना पड़ेगा, परमिट का क्या सीन है।
परमिट है बाइक का हमारे पास।
We were looking for an extension of another 12 days and permits to ride to the far east till Trashigang. And what we actually got was well disappointing to say the least.
पे 50 रुपये बोले लगाओ, बोले 5 पे 50, 5 पे 50 रुपया। पाँच आ गए तो पैसा डबल आएगा। 5 आएगा, 5 आया।
नो प्रॉब्लम।
निकल गया 7 में रुकेगा ये अभी।
Thimphu is your run-of-the-mill tourist destination of Bhutan, but if you're looking in the right places, it has something for everyone. Our experience was a bittersweet one. Apart from our plan getting derailed completely due to permit issues, we still had a great time. At that point in time, we actually didn't know what we were going to do next. But this right here doesn't hurt.